Carpets are a reservoir of stains, harmful allergens, and odor-causing bacteria. And vacuums only do half the job of cleaning your carpets. Introducing the Hoover Max Extract Carpet Washer. It makes deep cleaning carpets as easy as vacuuming them. Simply pull the trigger, push forward, and a high-pressure spray of water and Hoover's biodegradable, non-toxic Clean Plus detergent penetrates deep into the carpet to break up dirt and stains, as the counter-rotating spin scrub brushes gently and thoroughly wash virtually every fiber. Pull back, and the powerful Max Extract Dual V nozzle technology suctions up the dirty water, while turbo-heated air is blown deep into the fibers, so your carpets dry quickly. The two-tank smart system makes filling and cleaning a snap. Simply remove this tank to fill, and remove this tank to drain and rinse. Nothing to disassemble, and no mess, like this other machine with a nasty internal plastic bladder to clean. Its 147-ounce capacity is larger than other leading competitive carpet washers. Its wider cleaning path means faster cleaning. The Max Extract comes with onboard tools, including a 9-foot hose with integrated brush for cleaning furniture, stairs, even your car interior.
Cleaning the carpets now is as easy as vacuuming the carpets.
Hoover, you have outdone yourself. Love it. Made my life really easy.
The Hoover Max Extract Carpet Washer is the easiest, most convenient way ever to deep clean your carpets. Take yours home today.
This model also includes a powered hand tool. To assemble, insert the upper handle into the slot and press firmly into place. Insert the 2 bolts into the holes on the front of the cleaner and slide the hose holder onto the bolt ends in the back. Then tighten the nuts onto the bolt ends using a screwdriver. Remove the screw from the tool holder and insert the tabs of the tool holder into the slots near the bottom of the cleaner. Insert the screw and tighten with a screwdriver. Put the solution tube into the storage clip. Attach the converter end of the hose onto the tool holder and snap into place. Now wrap the hose counterclockwise onto the hose storage clips. There are also storage hooks on the back for the power cord. The upholstery tool stores on the bracket on the back of the cleaner. The powered hand tool stores neatly in the front tool compartment. Insert the solution tank by setting the bottom edge in first and pivoting the top of the tank back into the locked position. Your steam vac carpet cleaner is now assembled and ready to operate. There is a Contact Us sticker on the back of the cleaner with an 800 number if you would like to talk to a customer service representative. When you call, be sure to have the model number and manufacturing code from the data label on the back of the cleaner. Click on the tabs marked Operation